Well, right now, he's actually caught his tail, and he's laying completely flat in a ball, holding on to his tail. I don't know. It's totally hysterical. Yeah, Rick's got the camera back out because it's just too funny. Because he's literally doing somersaults because he's got a hold of it. Oh my gosh, it's hysterical. I know. I was like, how much can you pull on it? And he still has
he's all busy.
tons of energy. Oh, now he's busy. Oh, we've been watching this and we're just getting to the bottom of them. Yeah. But we've about got it all put back together now. Yeah. Got the shopping done.
Well done, Baxter.
Groceries.
I'm tired out.